Good morning, children. Today we have a new lesson in English 5, Quarter 1, Module 4 about composing descriptive sentences using different kinds of adjectives. What I know. Activity 1. Analyze each word. Write A if it is an adjective and N if it is not. Write your answers in your notebook. Number 1, book. 2, write. 3, clean. 4, begin. 5, pretty. 6, study. 7, happy. 8, live. 9, delicious. 10, wonderful. Please pause the video to answer the question. Let's check. Number 1, N. 2, N. 3, Activity 2. Pick out the adjectives inside the box and place them on the column accordingly. The first 3 adjectives are already provided as examples. Nike, Philippine, nervous, 2-page, tinikling, second-hand, sweet, warm-blooded. These are the choices. Proper adjectives. Number 1, blank dance. 2, blank culture. 3, blank shoes. Here's an example. Number 1, tinikling dance. Next, we have compound adjectives. Number 1, animals. 2, document. 3, car. Please pause the video to answer the question. Next, we have predicate adjectives. Number 1, Catherine is blank. 2, you look blank. Let's check. Okay, for number 2, the answer is Philippine culture. 3, Nike shoes. Next, compound adjective number 1, warm-blooded animals. 2-page document. Second-hand car. For predicate adjectives, number 1, Catherine is sweet. 2, you look nervous. What's in? Think of an adjective that matches the description. Write the adjective in your notebook. Number 1, a car that has just been bought from a factory. Number 2, countries in Asia like the Philippines and Singapore. Blank countries. Number 3, an anniversary being celebrated on the 5th year. Blank anniversary. Number 4, a chair made of wood. Blank chair. Number 5, a building with 10 floors. Blank building. Let's check. Number 1, the correct answer is brand new car. Number 2, newly bought. It can be brand new car or newly bought. Also, newly purchased. Number 2, Asian. 3, golden or 50 year. Number 4, wooden. Number 5, 10-story. Identify a specific person, place, thing, or idea that is connected to your town, city, or province. Then, write at least 2 adjectives about it on the small square next to it. A role model, an event, famous delicacy, and a tourist spot. Tourist spot. Please pause the video to answer the question. Let's check. A role model, courageous. Famous delicacy, savory. An event, historic. A tourist spot, must see. An adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or pronoun. It helps you express your ideas more clearly by allowing you to give additional information about words. Adjectives also help the readers to have a clearer picture of what the writer is talking about. Recall your lesson on proper nouns. Remember that these are nouns that are capitalized and usually come from the names of people, cities, countries, brands, events, and the like. Like proper nouns, there are also adjectives that need to be capitalized. They are called proper adjectives. A proper adjective is a word that modifies nouns and pronouns and is formed from a proper noun. Take a look at the words on the table. Adjective, noun, example. Mediana's residence. So, whose residence? Mediana. Filipino, food. Example, what kind of food? Filipino. Next adjective, waray. Noun, language. Example, what kind of language? Waray. On the other hand, some adjectives are formed by joining two different words to give a new meaning. These adjectives are called compound adjectives. They are usually hyphenated to avoid confusion. Consider the following examples. Number 1, our family enjoyed the 2-day vacation we had in Palawan. Number 2, Sarah Geronimo is a well-known singer. Moreover, there are other adjectives that come after a linking verb and modify the subject of the linking verb. They are called predicate adjectives. A predicate adjective is a subject complement a word or a group of words that follows a linking verb or verb phrase, such as is, where, taste, look, sound, have been, and did seem. For example, the dress looks elegant. The dress is the subject, looks is the linking verb, and then we have elegant as predicate adjective. In this sentence, the word elegant modifies the dress. The food tastes good. The food is the subject, tastes is the linking verb, and then we have good as predicate adjective. In this sentence, the word good modifies the food. Proper adjectives. I love Hungarian sausage. Do you speak the Cebuana dialect? Okay, so adjectives here are Hungarian and then Cebuana. Next, compound adjectives. A cyclops is a one-eyed monster. Then, the good-looking actor has a new TV commercial. Okay, so these two adjectives, which is the proper adjectives and compound adjectives, are usually written before the word they modify. Here's an example of predicate adjectives. Liza Soberano is pretty. Okay. Then many doctors and nurses in our hospital are tired. So these predicate adjectives are written far from the word they modify and placed after a linking verb. So far, you have encountered three types of adjectives: proper adjectives, compound adjectives, and predicate adjectives. Identify whether the underlined word is a proper adjective, a compound adjective, or a predicate adjective. Write only the letter that corresponds to your answer. Number one, my cousin prefers Filipino food over Italian food. A, proper adjective. B, compound adjective. C, predicate adjective. Please pause the video to answer the question. Number two, a dog is a four-legged animal. A, proper adjective. B, compound adjectives. C, predicate adjective. B, complete each sentence by supplying the appropriate adjective. Select your answer from the box and write it in your notebook. Three-layered, good, four-wheeled, Bicolano, 6th page. For example, Lina wants a three-layered cake, and this is compound adjective. Number three, Lara is a blank girl. Please choose a predicate adjective. Number four, do you enjoy spicy blank food? Proper adjective. Number five, Cardo's aunt bought a blank vehicle. Compound adjective. Letter C, study each picture below, then describe it using the kind of adjective being asked. Write your answer in your notebook. A dance originating in India. Number six, blank dance. Proper adjective. Next, a cycle that never ends. Seven, blank cycle. Compound adjective. A dress with a particular color. 8. Blank dress. Predicate adjective. A document that contains 5 pages. 9. Blank document. Compound adjective. Food that you like because of its taste. 10. Blank food. Predicate adjective. Let's check. Number 1, the correct A. Number 2, the correct answer is B. Number 3, Lara is a good girl. Number 4, Bicolano. Number 5, Number 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, delicious or tasty or yummy. An adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or pronoun. There are different kinds of adjectives, namely proper adjective, compound adjective, and predicate adjective. More specifically, proper adjectives are words that modify nouns and pronouns and are formed from a proper noun. On the other hand, some adjectives are formed by joining two different words to give a new meaning. These adjectives are called compound adjectives. They are usually hyphenated to avoid confusion. Also, there are other adjectives that come after a linking verb and modify the subject of the linking verb. They are called predicate adjectives. A predicate adjective is a subject complement, a word or group of words that follows a linking verb or verb phrase such as is, where, taste, look, sound, and have been and did sing. Overall, adjectives help us describe the qualities of the nouns and pronouns in writing. Likewise, they give the reader a complete picture of what you are writing about. Think of a person or people in your community. Then describe them using the following adjectives in a sentence. Japanese, excellent, Filipino, well-known, well-behaved. Please pause the video to answer the question. Let's check. These are an example answers. Number 1, the Japanese garden was a serene and beautiful place to relax. 2, the chef prepared an excellent meal with each dish perfectly seasoned. 3, the restaurant served Filipino cuisine known for its vibrant flavors and spices. Number 4, the well-known author signed copies of his latest book at the bookstore. 5, the well-behaved children sat quietly and listened attentively to the story. Activity 1. On your answer sheet, write only the letter that corresponds to your answer. Number 1. The word that is used to modify a noun or a pronoun is called blank. A. An adjective. B. A verb. C. A preposition. Pause the video to answer the question. Number 2, my father loves Filipino food. The underlined word is a blank. A proper adjective, B compound adjective, C predicate adjective. Number 3, David bought a car. A two-door, B two-door, C two doors. Number 4, Noel is a handsome boy. The underlined word is a blank. A proper adjective, B compound adjective, C predicate adjective. Number 5, the owner of that big house has a blank dog. A well-behaved, B. Well behaved. C. Well behaved. Let's check. For number one, the correct answer is A. An adjective. Number two, the answer is A. Proper adjective. Number three, the answer is C. Two doors. Number four, we have C. Predicate adjective. Number five, C. Well behaved. Activity 2. Use the following adjectives in a sentence. Kind-hearted, magical, American, blue-eyed, soft. Please pause the video to answer the question. Let's check. Here are the example answers. The kind-hearted woman offered to help the lost child find his parents. Number 2, the magical forest was filled with enchanting creatures and sparkling laughter. Number 3, the American flag flew proudly above the government building. 4, the blue-eyed girl with a bright smile charmed everyone she met. 5. The soft blanket provided warmth and comfort on a chilly night. For additional activities, compose 5 sentences using the different kinds of adjectives about any of the topics below. Write your answer on your answer sheet. Favorite food, favorite place, favorite movie, favorite book, favorite teacher. Please pause the video to answer the question. Let's check. Here are an example answer. Favorite food. The delicious and spicy Thai curry was my absolute favorite dish, a perfect blend of flavors that always left me wanting more. Favorite place? The tranquil and serene beach with its soft and crystal clear water was my ideal escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Favorite movie? The gripping and thought-provoking science fiction film left me with a sense of wonder and intrigue, making it one of my all-time favorite movies. Favorite book? The enchanting and imaginative fantasy novel transported me to a magical world full of intriguing characters and unforgettable adventures. Favorite teacher? My inspiring and knowledgeable history teacher had a unique way of bringing the past to life, making learning both engaging and memorable. That's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.